Hi, Gianna. That's my sister right there. That's my sister right there. Hey, Deontay.
Hey.
How you doing?
I'm trying to sit.
How's you doing? How's you doing? DeMarcus. It's good. It's good.
Hey, what's your name?
DeMarcus.
Okay, let's go.
Kirsten.
Yeah.
You girl.
It's Leah. How's you doing? Talk to the camera.
Hi.
Yo, I Savage Pizza. Savage, Dion, right there, chilling. Pizza. Very nice.
Cockroach. You see that one right there?
Yeah, we got roaches up in here.
You see that cockroach right there?
Look at that roach. Huge. Look at him. I don't know if you can see him.
Stop looking at him. I don't want to look at him.
I don't know if you can see him, but the roaches in here are huge. Teddy over there. Marcus. Brave soldier. The two paranoid ones.
What he do?
Are there tomatoes in this pizza? Like,
That's what I was saying. That's what it looks like.
there's like straight up tomatoes up in here.
I'm waiting to see them back.
I don't like when there's like chunks in my pizza. Look at that roach right there.
Every time I try to eat.
Look at that roach. It's huge.
Is it taking a dump? I can't eat.
What a horrible eating facility.
I used to eat worms. I used to pick up worms.
You know? What did you say? Dion.
What is that?
If you fry them,
It's like an onion in my pizza. It's not even cool.
it's one right here. It's one right
It's not even cool. Nobody asks for onions in a pizza.
It's crunching. I can do that at school and nobody will look at me.
Man, look at all this.
They look like fat right there. Oh no, they're coming down. They're coming down.
Ew.
Oh gosh.
Dang.
Oh gosh. What are they doing? They're chasing each other.
Roaches galore.
They're just like,
They're playing tag. They're playing tag like you and Kirsten was doing. Oh god. Oh no, stay over there. Stay over there.
I don't want them.
Yo, that's not even cool.
I don't like.
I don't want to eat here no more.
Neither do I. This onion.
That is unsanitary. Got roaches all up in your plate.
What? You said I don't want to eat him no more. You said neither do I.
For real, man. How you gonna have roaches crawling all over the place?
But you sound like that, and you sounded like Cody.
Little mini pro.
You did. But you're like the best football player ever. You really are.
I'm serious. Like, you are bad
I
at
didn't know Roaches could beat you.
Mr. America.
you in that picture.
You see those?
Yo, look at that spider. Is that a spider?
No, that's a roach with giant antennas.
I can't even see that.
Look, it's a cockroach in that
Oh my god.
That roach had antennas like this.
Dang.
You see it.
That is a big roach.
You see it. You see it right there.
That's not even a roach. That's like a monster.
Look at his antennas. You saw the antennas?
Fly. Ew.
That's not even cool. That's a monster.
Fly. So
That was a fly. Yeah, it has a wings out. Somebody call 911. Somebody call 911.
I'ma die. I'ma
That one walked away.
Like right now.
She's scared of roaches.
No, dude, I'm like leaving right now. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna die like today.
I'm taking your seat, Alexia. I'm taking your seat. What is he doing?
Well, let's go see all the people who ran away from the roaches. Hey, Kirsten.
Hey.
How you doing?
What?
How you doing?
Good.
You like your pizza?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Did you like the roaches?
No.
Were they nasty?
Yeah. They're freaking us out.
Like your pizza, Simone?
What?
You like your pizza, Simone?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Were you good with the roaches?
What?
Were you good with the roaches?
What? Were you good with the roaches?
Gianna?
Hi.
You like your pizza, Gianna?
No.
You didn't like the pizza?
No. Yes, you did.
They had onions in the pizza. I'm not mad. They had onions in the sauce of the pizza. I was not happy. You like the roaches? They were there.
No,
all
I
up
did
on the
not.
wall.
They're so big and juicy. I know. Oh gosh, those roaches.
Like the roaches, Slayer?
No.
You like those roaches? They're all up in the face.
You like the roaches?
They were good. They were tasty. They were all up in my belly. I love roaches. They taste nice. Did you like the pizza?
But we ate a lot of pasta.
I didn't like the pizza either. I'd rather.
Onions in it.
I know pizza had onions. Nobody like no onions in their pizza. That's not cool. It's cool. I know this one didn't like the roaches. The pizza, Deontay?
No, it has onions in it.
Did you like the roaches?
No.
They're still over there somewhere.
Yes, they are. I asked one out on a date.
I ate one. It was good.
Yes. Nice and crunchy.
That should be the new snack. I'm gonna bring that
you have
out.
a girlfriend?
Like roaches on a stick.